What if the secret to an indestructible garden was hiding in your medicine cabinet all along? Most people take this for a headache. I give it to my plants to save their lives. Today, I reveal the white pill ritual, a method so powerful it acts as a vaccine for your garden. If you've ever lost a harvest to blight or rot, pay attention. This will change everything. We are not just feeding roots. We are activating the plant's internal intelligence system. The science is simple but ignored. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, the natural trigger for survival. In the wild, plants produce this when under attack. We are simply giving them a superpower. This triggers systemic acquired resistance. Your plants become alert, armored, and ready. Let's prepare the immunity tonic. You need exactly 1 standard tablet. No more. Crush it into a fine white dust. Every crystal must be ready to serve. Dissolve the powder in 1 gallon of lukewarm filtered water. Temperature is key. Add a single drop of liquid soap. It's the glue that keeps the medicine on the leaves. Apply the aspirin mist at dawn. This is when the plant's pores are wide open. For tomatoes, this is the ultimate shield. It stops the deadly late blight before it starts. You will see larger fruits, deeper colors, and 0 blossom end rot. But there is a second, even more secretive use: the cloning hack. Soak any cutting in this tonic for 2 hours. It tricks the plant into an emergency state. The salicylic acid forces the stem to grow roots at a lightning-fast speed. Your success rate for cloning roses and trees will jump by 80% overnight. However, beware of the dose trap. A mistake here will burn your garden. Too much aspirin creates toxicity. 1 pill is a cure. 2 pills are a poison. Use this ritual once every 3 weeks. Respect the rhythm of the earth. You are working with nature's intelligence, not toxic industrial chemicals. Stop buying expensive fungicides that poison the soil and your own family. The answers are simpler, cheaper, and more effective than the industry wants you to know. Tomorrow, I reveal why rice water is the milk of the earth for your crops. It's the secret to explosive growth in orchids and peppers that few experts share. Subscribe to The Hidden Orchard. Reclaim your garden and your independence. I am Adam, and I thank you for walking this green path with me. Stay curious, stay strong. Your miracle is waiting in the medicine cabinet.